Look, we have a lot of birds. Look, they have a lot of birds here. Good morning, birds. Birdie, birdie, look at that. They have a lot of birds here because they have a bird seed. Ah, that's so pretty. That's so pretty, pretty, pretty. Birdie, birdie. Oh, we're there now. We're hiding at the back. Ah. Uh-huh. Yeah. They're bringing a lot of friends. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. These two is keep eating and eating. Look at that. Good morning, birdie, birdie. Good morning, guys. Look at them. Okay, keep eating. Bye, guys. See ya. They're so cute. There's more. There's more. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy.